is Beyblade Mojo Cyber Duendes. Today, we're gonna unbox a bear. It's a new edition of L-Drago. Right? It's the Lightning L-Drago Volcanic Emerald version, Takara Tomy. Now we're gonna unbox it. Right, there is it now. It's a Drago Volcanic Emerald version. Well, it's a dark one. Right now, first go out is, did I pull it? Takara Tomy. What's this? It's a manual. It's a manual of Takara Tomy. It's a manual of Takara Tomy. And I continue pulling. Then pull out the track. The 135 track. Right, it's a 135 track. Set 135 track. Oh no! And now where is it? The tool, the super aggressive tool. Blue inside, then black outside. Right? It's really cool and awesome. It's a black outside, but inside it's a blue. Then we have whoa, Two-Face. Can see it. Where is it? First the L-Drago face, then the volcanic face. Then where is it now? The wide bow, the attack wide bow. Oh, it's not just a plasticky. It's just right, a rubber up in there, so it can produce defense and attack. Where is it? The two phases and that. Oh, where is it? It's what is this? What is this? A larger bottom of it. Oh, it's an LS. It's an LS. Long, like, what's this sharp? No, what's this sharp? And for the epic one, the lightning wheel, and the L-Drago wheel. So where is it? The L-Drago wheel. Can see the L-Drago wheel. It's green up, down, and up. It's red. It's really awesome. There's the lightning wheel, reddick. Alright, now we're going to assemble it. There's the track, half white, half red. It's really cool and awesome. Because it's a volcanic emerald version, I will choose the face what I want. The L-Drago face or this face. I'll choose the L-Drago face. Oh, this face, the volcanic face, just right up in there. It's just tattooed and look up down there. It's a subs. Oh, it's a plastic face. They just do the metal face just like this, and wait for a minute. I'm going to fix this problem. Wait for a minute. Going to assemble it now. Remember, it has no launchers. Right, there is it now. Now which of these buttons I'll choose? I think I'll choose this. Wide ball. Wide rubber ball. Now we're gonna test launch it. Here's it. Now we're gonna test launch it. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! It's an attack, right? Right, it's an attack type. Map contains Hasbro defense. Right. Now I'm gonna stop it. Oh, this sticker in my stadium sticks. Right? Now, here's it. You can see. It's just like a Stardust Dragonite. It's really awesome. This Drago is ultimate. You can see the face just like Red and the L-Drago. Just like where you guys shot Lightning L-Drago in the lava. Did became into L-Drago before that. There is the result of it. It's Lightning L-Drago volcanic. It's a volcanic emerald version. Right? Now, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my other channel, BBKZ. 86 Robot.